Hello guys, well it's the Ed Shed, and hopefully if this goes on as I expect, maybe not, you'll be seeing the world's worst weapon ever invented by man, because with that you do a lot of damage, and believe me, I have been. So this is a quick sort of just to shuffle around and showing you what's actually going on with the old like just quick project that wasn't supposed to be an ordeal. There it is, the ordeal. You did see some of it last night, but I didn't show you. But what we're doing at the moment is one of the worst things I'd ever thought about doing, which was, obviously the Mark 1 was a lot different than this, but the Mark 2, what we've done is we've ground the, as you can see, using the set angle grinder, we've taken the lip off. Now obviously the lip's continuing on here. If I was a perfectionist, I would take that lip completely off. It's still possible if I get somebody with the enthusiasm to do it. We will take that lip straight out, down. We're having an issue here, as you can see. There's a bit of a problem because where that changes to there, I'm going to have to do something. Now, I had the idea to heat this up, bend it round, but it'll be here, it's in the wrong place. So I'm going to have to put a lip on and then do a swerve there and go back behind and then come behind this with an angle that then will come up to here. So obviously that's the string constructor's job. Now as you can see, I had an idea, weld at the holes. Now it ain't as easy as you imagine because the doors are full of wax oil and they're also paper thin, and it's sort of like one setting you've got no penetration and the other setting you're just blowing holes. So I've managed to sort of do the one that Lee's out there doing, as you see, and I'm just sort of going around every time I get a bout of enthusiasm. Obviously the spats, well yeah, I don't know, I think we're in agreement that that ain't going to happen, but certainly the wheels might happen because I actually quite like them, so it would be a damn sight easier for me as well. I ain't got to change the back axle of the wires. I can put the wires in the other one. Anyway, we won't go down that road. Now, obviously they're all out, but we're going to have to go bare metal because if we don't, then obviously I'm going to be... So it's feathering in bare metal in and probably another lot of paint work, which I hate. But, on the face of it, it's starting to come together. And obviously, we've had a few good days, well, 2 days on it. And we're still waiting on the paint, so I did mess around, as you know, with the louvers. They're not in, but that's my idea. And obviously these ones need a little bit more grindation, and then I'm gonna, when I get a bit of enthusiasm, I'm gonna go. Sunroof working well, and also I'm gonna work out what I'm gonna do with how the headlight is gonna work and how much wood I'm gonna use. I'm not using all the wood, that's for certain. But this side obviously is done as well. Or the door gap tight, but we'll live with it. Look how much filler's got to come out of here to lead all this up and re-weld that. And obviously those holes I'm not looking forward to. But other than that, that's what we're doing. I didn't want to be doing it, but I am. And Lee obviously is over here trying desperately to take off the crap paint that's on this door, the fiberglass or filler that's not stuck to the galvanized. So whether you heard that, I don't know. But slow process, loads of dust, and obviously not much fun. But at least it's not in my shed. Make sense? So guys, that's what we're doing. Still got lots of welding to do. And as they say on the, you know, I don't want to give up. I've got to keep going. Onwards, forever onwards. Door handles work alright, so we've test fitted that the door handles will work without the chromes, look good. And we also trying to work out whether the chrome down the pillar can be put back on the inside, but I think I might go with a painted guttering rail, so that'll be painted body colour, and probably, if I got the chrome it might go on, if I haven't got it, it won't go on. This chrome pillar here has definitely got to go on, but everything else, I think we'll try it, but I think this might have to be filled here. I think it's going to have to be filled because I'm pretty certain, I don't know whether that chrome that sat there was some sort of finish between the chrome and the pillar. I don't know. It doesn't look too bad from the top of the door onto the top of the door, because we've already tried one, and the front door we've tried the chrome frames, and it all looks good. So for quickness, I wish we had more people doing, like, you know, just rubbing down the frames and just keying them up, but we haven't. So for the minute we have to do with what we've got. So as I say, guys, doors fit, looking good, coming on, and yeah, I'll just lay in a little secret now, right? So I figured I could put a piece of metal behind these and then just blob them, but in there, that is wax oil. It is black goo. It's black goo everywhere. Black goo everywhere. They splodged it all over, like Henry Cooper said. So I'm worried that when I start doing these, this is going to all catch fire. So I'm going to have a fire watcher. And Lee, what do you think of it so far? Well, in the old days, there was a comedy programme, and there was at Morecambe and Wise. You used to go, "What do you think of it so far?" Rubbish.
Yeah.
That's for one of our subscribers, followers.
Okay. Not rubbish.
What?
Just taking his time.
Yeah. Well, yeah, just take your time. Take your time, it'll be all right on the night, as they say. This was what we wanted to get away from, you see. We didn't want all that dust in my shed anymore. I'm sending it all over to Greta. It's been recycled back to Earth, back to nature. I know what you're saying, and I dig where you're coming from, but I don't think that is keyed. I just don't.
No.
What are you...
What I was thinking was...
Yeah.
The amount of time it's going to take to try and get all of that.
All right,
out
you want to use the
just get
flat
that
wheel.
out with the DA.
All right, we'll use. All right, do the flat wheel. Go on, do the flat wheel.
I just need to bring that.
Yeah, do it. Do it. And just watch the edges. Do that, and then I can have a go at that.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm not doing that at the door, because they put a door skin on and it's welded along the top of there. So I'm glad. All right, just grind it off. It'll be sort of, because you can see that's just not tucked to there at all, is it? It's not gone onto that galvanised panel.
Yeah.
So obviously
the other one looks all right. It just seems this one didn't do very well.
He says the other one looks all right. Famous last words.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Well, yeah, use that if you want.
Well, I'm only going to use the dig down there.
Dig. All right, here we go. So that's it then. Turn you off there. Say thanks for watching. Please follow us about, like, subscribe, and if you want to see the Resto-Mod. The Resto-Mod Mark II, which is just a quick one, infill, before I do a serious car. Then obviously follow me about. But hopefully soon it'll be looking better than it does now. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.